showing you how to make my Happy Easter bunny card. We're going to start by taking this first layer and putting all the pieces together. So I have in my file, I have it arranged so that you'll have the background piece and then know where to stick things. So we have a black layer for this bunny, a brown layer, a white layer, and then a pink layer. And then there's hot pink accents, which I've added on top already, so I didn't lose those. And that will help you so you don't have to cut little tiny pieces for the eyes. And then it'll have a flower and then the inside of the ear. And then we'll have the clouds and the banner and the words to go on top of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get that all glued up. Assembling this card, you're going to take and the front piece, you're going to fold on the fold lines, and you're going to fold to the back, okay? And then every other fold line, you're going to fold to the front. So this piece is going to get folded to the front, and this piece, and same with the other pieces. this one, and then right here. So to start this, I'm going to take this piece, put some glue on it, and then I'm going to be assembling it right along the inside edge of this fold line, making sure that this will still close over the top. And I want to make sure that it's aligned top and bottom, both at the top and the bottom. I'm going to hold that there for a minute and then make sure that that still has room to come over the top. Okay, make sure it's straight. And then I'm going to fold that down. I'm going to keep that in place for a second while I prepare the other side. So I'll glue that right here. This one's going to line up right next to it. I know it's kind of hard to see when I hold that up, but that is. Push that down, make sure that it is laying nicely. Hold that in place. Okay. So now, this part of the card is going to come here and be glued here, and then these pieces will glue onto this side of the card. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first before I glue this piece down. I'll try it this way. This is always a little tricky to show you on camera. Here we go. Hope you can see that. I am giving it just a little bit of room here. That's a little more than I wanted. There we go. Okay, fold this one over. And now I'll be putting glue on this edge. This is the one that's a little tricky to see because it's the last one. Lay that right there. Have that in place. We'll go ahead and check it on this side. Okay, it looks like it's going to stay. And then I'm going to fold and put glue right here on this flap. I want to make sure that it rests right along the edge. Okay, and I'll just wipe this extra glue away. Push that down for a second. Okay, and the last piece is going to be gluing this piece on the inside of the back. Line that up. And Here's our finished card. So it will fold flat to fit into a 5x7 envelope. So you can go either direction. And then it's a lovely card. You can also write your sentiment on the back and then have a lovely 3D tunnel book style Easter card.